Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out if FileCR is safe. In order to do so, here we are at filecr.com. And to find the answer to our question, we're going to go ahead and check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension that allows you to ask questions of some of the top chat models, AI models available so that you can compare answers and get the answers you're looking for. According to Cider, no, FileCR is not safe to download from. Why? It is a well-known Juarez piracy site that offers cracked software and license keys. Sites like this routinely bundle malware with cracked installers. Cracked software patches often require disabling security features, which exposes your machine to additional risk. Downloaded executables from these sources are not verified or signed and can be modified to include backdoors that steal data or persist on your system. Even if a particular download appears clean, there's no reliable way to guarantee future downloads won't be malicious. These sites change uploads frequently and are commonly used as malware distribution points. Using pirated software also creates legal and ethical issues and denies you official updates and support. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our top AI recommendations, including Cider. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out and we'd appreciate it. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you can get $50 to open an account and $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.